Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. And today, what I'm showing you, I have got a little haul that I did a few weeks ago. Actually, I've got a couple, and I'm just going to split them into a couple videos. First one is going to be a small haul from Tuesday morning and Home Depot. And I guess I'll do the Home Depot one first, since it's just basically the Floetrol. And I needed that, and I picked up the glue all as well, because I was just about out of that too. So I got those two items at Home Depot, along with, let's see, where did it go? I had one more thing I picked up that I like to use, and I don't know where I put it. Of course, but I'm sure I'll come across this laying around here somewhere. And then, the second thing I picked up, this one was from Tuesday morning. I picked up this adorable, well, not this. This is the two-sided tape. They had it on sale, which was a great deal. 25, quarter inch, and it's 5 yards for $1.99. And then I picked up this pretty little, they call it, paper lace. And there's 30 sheets. And they're very small, but they're like already pre-cut for you, and they're very pretty. I mean, look at the little gold leaf. They have different designs. As you can see, then all the pieces aren't pulled out yet. You have that design, and look at the pretty gold leaf design. Isn't that pretty? Nice thick. And then some other designs. And then here's another one of hearts. I don't know if you can see them all. And then these are just polka dots, but they're not all plucked out of there yet. I thought that was adorable. Here's a picture of all the designs on the back. I don't know if you can see them all right. And then I got this, because I've been dying to get it. I saw Gina hauled this a while back at Tuesday morning. And so I went and I found it a while back at Tuesday morning. I just haven't sent it to you yet. It is Tim Holtz-Sisik's Sidekick, and it's for small. It's for the smaller die casts and such. So I'm going to be doing some of these and showing myself and you all how to use the die cast machine. So that will be coming up soon. Other than the painting, like I said, it's called Artistic Pours and More, because I like to do crafting as well. So, we're going to be getting into die catting and things like embossing and things like that too. So this is the other item I picked up at Tuesday morning. So, as I said, that was just a very small haul. A couple things from Tuesday morning and a couple things from Home Depot. And we're going to be using some of these items that I just picked up at Tuesday morning, and some of our videos coming up soon. So, stay tuned for the next video. I'll be putting another one up tomorrow. Everybody have a great night. Thank you for joining me. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.